Assalamu alaikum my friends, welcome to your channel Let's Break. Any drinking water and sanitation GIS attaches importance to the topology and model of the data collected. Indeed, it is from these elements that we can create relevant business functionalities that help decision-making and intervention on our network. What are these specific features? The answer in this video. For potable water. 1. Network sectorization. In addition to optimizing the search for leaks, this functionality delimits and validates the permanent or temporary sectoring of a network, landing. These sector limits are defined by valves declared in the attribute sheet of each network manager. 2. The water stop. This function points to the location of the leak on a pipe. The GIS will then indicate the valves to be manipulated to isolate the sector concerned by the cut and the impact of the latter on the network. 3. IPANET export. It allows to export the structure of the network and its characteristics in the modeling software of hydraulic modeling IPANET. For the sanitation. 1. Finding an outlet. This function checks the impact of a detected pollution, impacted step, and validates the topological consistency of a newly created network. 2. The collection area. It makes it possible to find the impact of the obstruction of a manhole and determines the catchment area associated with this manhole. 3. The longitudinal profile. It identifies the slopes and the coasts between two looks. It can thus check the information of the X, Y and Z dimensions and can identify design faults, such as reverse slopes. The ITV integration module, 4, which operates in two modes. Automated import. If the manhole identifiers are present in the heritage database, the module automatically associates the ITV with the section concerned. Manual import. If the manhole identifiers are incorrect, the module offers the possibility of manually associating the ITV with the section and the start manhole concerned. The Intervention Management Module. The Intervention Management Module makes it possible to manage preventive and corrective maintenance on a set of structures, specifying a periodicity, the consequences on the assets of the structure and the instructions to be followed. Its report, linked to heritage objects, make it possible to carry out an in-depth analysis of the exploitation,